Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Snapchat. Tap your avatar in the top left to reveal your profile. Once done, make sure you're signed into the correct account because notifications are account-specific. Next, tap the gear icon at the top right to open settings. This step gets you to the controls that govern alerts. You need to be in settings before changing any notification toggles. Don't skip checking your account because changes won't apply to other logins. Once inside settings, scroll until you find the notifications section. It groups all alert controls. Tap Manage Notifications or Push Notifications to see granular options like snaps, chats, stories, and friend requests. You can toggle each type individually. Turn off snaps and chats if you want silence, but keep friend requests on, for example. Adjusting items separately gives you control over what interrupts you, and after toggling the options you want, simply exit settings. Snapchat saves these changes automatically, so there's no save button. If you still receive notifications, make sure your phone's system-level notification permissions allow Snapchat to deliver alerts. Adjust those in your device settings. If toggles appear ignored, force close the app or restart your phone to refresh permissions and sync. That usually resolves stuck states and ensures your new preferences take effect immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.